Hi beloved, this is Doc Gilbert and this is a part 2 of Bakit nga ba may corrupt leaders? And it is because of what we call narcissistic personality. Okay, so mahabang discussion yon, but for this topic, ito yung mga tao na they crave so much attention and praise sa maraming tao and they get that by going into a higher power and position. And of course, ito yung mga taong mataas yung tingin nila sa sarili nila at tingin nila sa ibang tao mababa. That's why even though nagsasuffer itong mga taong inaapakan nila, they don't feel much guilt and empathy and they will not take accountability. And also they use a lot of lying, manipulation, deception, kasi that's how they use their power. That's how they feel in control, even if, at the expense sa maraming tao. And all of this kind of toxic behaviors, they're doing it for money, for power, for control. Bakit nga ba? Again, babalik tayo dun sa pinaka-ugat nito, no? First, it's they are still in their survival mode. Growing up as a child where abuse is happening, they have this constant feeling of powerlessness and helplessness, na wala silang control. And now that they are in power, yun yung deeper purpose nun, to feel in control finally. Okay? Second, they use this power against, even though it will hurt a lot of people, because they don't want to feel weak, they don't want to feel powerless anymore. And lastly, ito yung paraan nila para kunin yung sense of worth and sense of self nila. Ibig sabihin, nakikita nila yung halaga, yung value ng pagkatao nila based on their money, their power, their possessions. And without all these things, sadly, parang balon yung pagkatao nila. Pag pinutok mo, walang laman. And wala silang sarili. And that's why they crave with so much power. They crave, and hold into these positions so dearly. Kasi ito yung paraan nila para hindi din mawala yung sarili nila. And to end this, corruption it's more than greed, it's more than a need for power, but it's actually, purpose